Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this Nature Awards Lavashak fruit leather. These are on sale, so I picked one up, and they're not from concentrate, so which is actually kind of cool. And check out the ingredients. There's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. There's the nutrient right there. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so I picked up the mix pack, and here's do a quick. Here's one. This is Mulberry. Cool. Now these are pretty thin. They're fruit leathers, but let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so check this out. You can actually see the fruit in there, and it's got a double layer of plastic. So we got to peel that off, and then I'll have to do a quick taste test. All right, guys. These are really good. Really strong fruit taste, but they're sticky. They're really, really sticky. So that's why they put plastic over it. But yeah, they taste good. I wish they didn't actually put the second layer of plastic on it, but they're really good. Actually, it has a nice mulberry taste, very soft in texture, very different than the regular like fruit leathers that you regularly eat. And yeah, cool. I'll do a quick taste test of the other flavors soon. This is mulberry. All right, stay tuned for more videos, guys.